Disha, she mentioned about the discomfort which people have felt around her. If you can also share it, because you've also worked with a lot of corporates and you have now a community of people who you hear on a regular basis about their experiences. If you can share a little more on that, and how do you think that will actually change the mindset of people around the entire cycle? So I'm not touching accessibility because that has been touched in the previous panel, but the entire psychological barrier which people have around people with dwarfism. You mentioned a lot of people have commented about things you so-called can't do, right? But you have. So what are your thoughts on that?
So, as I said that I have this group of people from different states, different city, different religion. Because this is about India's diversity job fair and there are employers sitting over here, I would want to, kind of request you that consider hiring people with dwarfism if they fit the right talent that you are looking for. Because if you don't hire them, the only job that they have is to get into an entertainment industry and make fun of themselves. I have had friends who've told me that trust me, I've had a friend from Delhi who said that Disha, मैंने MBA किया है, कितने जगह नौकरी दे लेने जाता हूँ लेकिन सब लोग रिजेक्ट कर देते. It's I think only because I'm short. And now the job that he does is these kind of corporate events. He goes and he'll make fun of himself. He'll become a joker someday. He'll dance and he'll make fun of himself. So that's the only job that they, end up getting into. A lot of people ask me that why most of the people with dwarfism are into circus and why they are made fun of. Then I ask them the question back that would you hire them if they have a right talent? I mean, I have a friend called Aarti Dogra. She's from Rajasthan. She's an IAS officer. India's first Paralympian winning a gold medal is a person with dwarfism. He is a Padma Shri K. Venkatesh. There are so many people with dwarfism who've done fantastic in various industries of life and yet not being considered as a part of employment because when an employer, so nowadays there is this new thing कि हमारे CSR में है कि हम किसी को employ कर दे, हमारा CSR कहता है कि inclusivity चाहिए, diversity चाहिए. That's why we want to hire. Please don't do that. Hire them only because they have a right talent that fits into your organization. The only adjustment that you will have to do with person with dwarfism is every time you click a group corporate photo, you will have to make them stand in the front. That's the only adjustment. There is no other adjustment I have seen. As I said, every friend of mine is doing fantastic in their field. And, when it comes to employment, it's simple rejection. I faced myself. I've got my first job in corporate after close to 16 rejection, of which 12 told me upfrontly on my face, we cannot hire you because you are different. So consider hiring somebody with disability. I'm sure they will give their best क्योंकि सब लोगों को वो मौका नहीं मिलता. आप एबल इंसान को नौकरी दोगे ना, वो उसको मल्टीपल दूसरे मौके मिल जाएंगे. लेकिन डिसेबल्ड को दोगे ना, वो उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करेगा. He will try to prove more than what he have. So try doing that.